Hi, everybody. So, this past winter, we decided to take a trip to Aruba. And here we are at the airport. Went down with Air Canada. And about 4.5 hours later, we got to look out the airplane window and see the brightly colored houses and the turquoise waters of Aruba. As our plane comes in for a landing here. And we rented a 3-bedroom house that we found on the internet. And it was absolutely gorgeous. An outdoor dining area, hammock, private parking, in-ground pool, covered patio, barbecue, really nice kitchen with all new appliances. A brand new house, basically. There's one of the bedrooms upstairs. This is the living room. Very nice couches. Big screen TV. And there's the in-ground pool, which they have maintained by a company who comes around and cleans it out once a week. Great for sun tanning. Thomas enjoying the hammock. Carving up an afternoon snack. And the property is surrounded by palm trees. Really, really nice place to stay. And there's lots of flowers on the sides as well. And the sun's setting in Aruba.